Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing. This one, as you can already see in the title, is in fact for the Air Jordan 3 UNC. Now, this shoe released back on the 7th of March for a retail price of 260 Australian dollars. I understand I'm a little bit late to the party with this review. It has in fact been a month since this shoe released. But with everything that's going on in the world at the moment, I just haven't had the time to sit down and complete this review for you guys. But anyways, it's here now, so let's get right into it. So I did cop this shoe from a streetwear store called Culture Kings. If you don't know what Culture Kings is, it's a streetwear store based in Australia. And I managed to grab my pair off there. Now with the actual release itself, it was a little bit of a bizarre one. They were meant to release at 9 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time, and when I logged on at 9 o'clock on the Culture Kings website, I couldn't see the actual link for the shoes. So I kept refreshing the page, still couldn't see it. And it wasn't until 30 minutes later, at about 9:30, when I was finally able to see the link for the actual shoes. And surprisingly, there were sizes still available. So I managed to grab my size, a size 11, and happy days. They arrived about a week later. Anyways, so that was the release aspect of the actual shoe itself. Let's get into the unboxing. Straight away, let's see the UNC coloured lid. Let's pull these out. And there you have it, guys. The UNC coloured lid with the Jumpman in white. Let's have a look at these shoes now. Oh yeah, these are very, very nice. So my first impressions, I've got other Jordan 3s, and at first glance, the leather on this particular shoe looks much more soft and premium compared to my other Jordan 3s. So I've got the True Blue 3, the Black Cement 3, and I can say that the leather on this tops both of those pairs. Like, it's just very, very soft and tumbled. And yeah, that UNC colour is just very, very, very nice. Beautiful summer shoe in my opinion. Can't wait to rock this. But yeah, let's get into the review aspect of the actual shoe itself. I'll pull out the other one just to have a quick glance. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, like I said, let's just get into the review aspect of the actual shoes itself now. So I'll take you through the B-roll footage and explain certain details of the actual shoe. So let's get into it. Starting with the upper of the shoe, it consists of soft white tumbled leather with details of the iconic elephant print on the toe box and heel. You also get hits of the UNC baby blue on the back half of the midsole and a white panel on the front half of the midsole. On the medial side of the shoe, it is pretty much like the lateral side and features the same details. You have the soft white tumbled leather covering majority of the upper with the UNC baby blue midsole and more details of the elephant print. The key detail for this shoe, in my opinion, is the tongue of the shoe. It features an embroidered Jumpman that really stands out and replicates the same detailing as the UNC PE version. The Jumpman on the tongue really stands out due to the thickness of the embroidery. The heel of the shoe consists of a Jumpman logo coloured in a dark navy blue colour. In my opinion, I really wish Jordan Brand kept it consistent and made the colour of this in the UNC baby blue. Again, you can see the elephant print on the heel of the shoe. The laces are your standard flat white laces. Unfortunately, these did not come with a second set of laces. The eyelets are done in the UNC baby blue colour, which stays consistent to the colour they used for the midsole and tongue. The insole is red and features a stitched in patch saying, "Quality products inspired by the greatest player ever." This patch is also seen on the Air Jordan 5 Michigan, but on the heel of the shoe. This insole is different to all the other Jordan 3 insoles, as usually the insole only consists of a Jumpman logo. Finally, the outsole is your standard Jordan 3 outsole consisting of grey, dark navy and UNC coloured panels. The dark navy panel on the back half of the sole features Jordan branding in white, and the forefoot of the sole features a UNC baby blue panel. Okay guys, so that was it for the review. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. One other thing I forgot to mention is that this particular shoe was meant to be a GR, meaning it was meant to be widely available. However, I found that these sold out quite quickly, and the resale prices for these have almost doubled on apps like StockX and Go. Anyway, so that was it for the unboxing and review. Thanks again for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on the post notification bell. I've got a styling video coming up for these, and yeah, I can't wait to share that with you guys. So thanks again for watching.